Tehran is known for its great monuments and symbolic landmarks like the Azadi and the Mila Tower. Now, only recently, another masterpiece has been added to that list. This monument has won national and international awards. So, if you do happen to be in Tehran, make sure to check it out. But now, let's see what Gisu has prepared for us. Bridges have always been close to the heart of Iranians. That's why it's not surprising to know that the third icon of Tehran is actually a bridge. This massive steel structure, held by only 3 tree-like columns, can take anyone's breath away. A place where people can actually hang out rather than just cross over it, since it was completed less than a year ago. Pul-e Tabiat, which literally means nature bridge, has had hundreds if not thousands of people visiting it.
Jag har inte varit i Teheran för nästan 10 år. Teheran har blivit mycket finare och större. Och en av finaste platser som drar till sig mycket uppmärksamhet är den här bron som heter Naturens bron.
The 270-meter footbridge is designed in 3 levels. There's a restaurant on the first level. The second level is mainly for those who are crossing it, either walking, biking, or skating. And the third level is designed for people to hang out and enjoy the view. Quite ironically, the longest pedestrian bridge in Iran also looks onto one of the busiest highways in Tehran. But it also allows you to catch a glimpse of the beautiful parks surrounding it. The bridge is curved. This gives visitors different outlooks depending on where they're standing, according to its young designer, Leyla Aragian. So when you're walking on it, you don't really see where you're heading, adding a zest of mystery to your journey.
Der hat mir erzählt, die Brücke wurde von einer 25-jährigen Architektin gebaut. Ich kann es einfach nicht glauben. Und sie verbindet diese beiden wunderschönen Parks. Ich bin ganz begeistert. Ich bin sowieso vom Iran begeistert, aber Teheran und diese Brücke, das ist wirklich ein absolutes Highlight.
Och sen finns det typ blommor också. Det är små lampor. Det är svarta och gula gallrer där. Det finns en bro som är superbra. Och den bron typ leder till en annan park.
我的朋友告诉我，这个桥在德黑兰是非常有名的，是德黑兰一个标志性的建筑物，很多漂亮的伊朗和德黑兰的画片都是以这个景色为背景。